Southeast Asia is emerging as a major global manufacturing hub, accounting for 8% of global trade, 5% of manufacturing value added, and 17% of foreign direct investment in 2023, with steadily expanding industrial capabilities. However, progress is threatened by disruptions. Conflicts, natural disasters, and trade tensions have exposed vulnerable global supply chains. This is crucial for Southeast Asia, which is also becoming increasingly integrated into global supply chains. Manufacturing can play a central role in building resilience, both at the country and individual level. At the country level, it ensures access to essential goods and supports emergency response, for example, providing protective equipment and emergency housing. Manufacturing also provides an essential foundation for long-term growth, with productivity among the highest of all sectors in the economy. At the individual level, the Lloyd's Register Foundation World Risk Poll illustrates that, compared to other sectors, the manufacturing sector generates higher paid, safer, and less discriminatory jobs. That means more security for workers and their families. For example, in Southeast Asia, 65% of manufacturing workers report they could cover household basic needs for over 3 months without income, significantly higher than any other sector. But how can policymakers in Southeast Asia build industrial strength in uncertain times? Industrial policies could address these key areas. 1. Promote localized production and redundancy in supply, so backups and alternatives ensure that production continues during disruptions. 2. Support manufacturing to ensure it delivers high-quality, safe jobs, even in the face of technological changes. 3. Lead manufacturers towards greener production, like circular economy models and energy efficiency, to economize resources while increasing resilience. In this way, policymakers in Southeast Asia can build more dynamic, resilient economies that protect people, boost recovery, and promote sustainable growth.